Bullish, the diagram cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 27 cents and 60 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept GRT could reach 27 cents by 2025. Bearish, the chart market cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. The chart presentation. The chart's emphasis on availability through engineered devices makes it exceptional by making it simple for engineers to list and inquiry information from Ethereum decentralized applications. The chart desires to record the world's public APIs and become the essential way DApp designers connect with blockchain information. Ordering conventions are significant on the grounds that they give a method for putting together data put away on decentralized networks like Ethereum. These conventions empower designers to fabricate applications that can question this information in an effective way. While there are few ordering conventions accessible, the diagram stands apart because of its convenience for designers. This element, joined with its emphasis on questioning information from Ethereum dApps, makes it a promising undertaking with expected mass allure. What is the diagram? The diagram is an ordering convention for questioning organizations based on Ethereum. Its central goal is to make it simple for engineers to make decentralized applications that can question the information put away in these organizations. The diagram token is the local cryptographic money of the chart organization. It is utilized by engineers to pay for inquiries made to the organization and compensated to the individuals who power hubs that have application information. The chart might seem like other ordering conventions like IPFS, BigChain, and Filecoin. The chart token basic investigation. The chart's essential use case is ordering information from Ethereum brilliant agreements with the goal that it very well may be effectively queryable by dApps. This allows dApps to get the information they need without running their own full hubs or stress over sync times. There are two fundamental sorts of hubs on the chart organization: indexers and custodians. Indexer. An indexer is a hub administrator on the diagram organization that stakes chart tokens to give ordering and inquiry handling administration. Indexers procure prizes as inquiry expenses and ordering rewards. As a hub administrator, an indexer is liable for keeping a duplicate of the chart information and giving admittance to it through a programming interface. As a trade-off for their administrations, they procure charges from clients who inquiry the information. They may likewise procure rewards for effectively ordering new informational collections onto the organization. Indexers assume a significant part in the diagram organization by guaranteeing that information is available and cutting edge. By offering their types of assistance, they help to make the organization more dependable and vigorous. Indexers are answerable for running diagram inquiries and keeping up with the file, while custodians stake GRT tokens to flag which subgraphs they believe are significant. By marking tokens, caretakers assist with keeping the organization secure and guarantee that main great subgraphs are ordered. The diagram is presently worth 6 cents USD. GRT has moved 3.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $29,494,774. The diagram is presently positioned 73 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $445,253,727 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for the chart to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous the diagram market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. The diagram value forecast 2022. The diagram, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The GRT cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 9 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 8 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. GRT is supposed to have a base worth of 7 cents. The chart value forecast 2023. In 2023, the chart GRT cost prediction has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of GRT will before long outperform 15 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the GRT's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, GRT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 12 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 13 cents. The diagram value expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 21 cents and GRT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. GRT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 19 cents and a low of 18 cents in 2024. The chart value forecast 2025. assuming the diagram effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees. The GRT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GRT will be green in 2025. The GRT is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 27 cents, with a base cost of 24 cents and a typical cost of 26 cents. The diagram value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the GRT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 32 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 31 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, GRT has a most extreme value worth of 34 cents. The diagram value expectation 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 38 cents. On the off chance that GRT figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 40 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help GRT needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 37 cents. The chart value expectation 2028. While GRT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 43 cents and a yearly cost close above 46 cents in 2028. The diagram value forecast 2029. By 2029, the diagram will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 49 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 52 cents, averaging out at 50 cents. The diagram value expectation 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest GRT cost in 2030 is projected to be 60 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 58 cents. And numerous specialists are anticipating that the cost of GRT will increment essentially in the following couple of years, while others accept that it might take more time at the costs to bounce back. Generally speaking, there is a great deal of conflict about what will befall GRT costs from here on out. Notwithstanding, one thing is sure, assuming that you're anticipating putting resources into GRT, you ought to do your own exploration and arrive at your own decisions about where you think the cost's going as the diagram cost today. The diagram is exchanging at 6 cents with a complete market capitalization of $445,253,727. Is the diagram a wise venture? The diagram ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that GRT is a decent decision of venture. How high could the diagram at any